Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a tutorial on making these wonderful crayon bottle caps. Now these innovative art tools are really cool for a couple of good reasons. Firstly, they're made from 100% recyclable materials. What recyclable materials, you might be asking? Well, if you have ever seen a box of crayons that is so neatly and exquisitely packaged, turned into this hodgepodge of broken pieces and peeled wrappers, well, you're looking at the recyclable materials and you're also looking at 90% of what you need to make the craft. Now, you can find these pieces at the bottom of any kid's backpack or a box where you store stationery or even a pencil case. Gather those together. This is the first thing that you will need. The second thing that you will need, which is what you actually make the molds with, is a pack of baking cups. Now, you can find these anywhere at your local variety store. I got this pack of 100 for 89 cents. Be sure to go down a size from the ones you use to make standard cupcakes. These are 1.2 inches in diameter, so remember that. Use the minis. The third thing that you need is the baking sheet. Any baking sheet that you have in your oven will do. You can choose to cover it with foil paper or not. It's not absolutely necessary. Once you place the baking cups on the foil sheet in the baking pan, then you're ready to place the pieces of crayons. Now, before you do so, be sure to peel the paper off of the broken pieces that you find. The little pieces of paper may prevent the wax from adhering sturdily to itself when it starts to cool. So peel the wrappers off, and then you place these broken pieces of crayons into the baking molds in any color combination that you choose. You can make standard colors like navy blue. You can mix colors that belong to the same color family like red, orange, yellow. You can even have fun with it and make pastels for party favors, or even colors that match the American flag, red, white, and blue. Once all of your baking cups are filled, then they're ready for the oven. Now, no need to preheat your oven. All you have to do is set your oven to 150 degrees and be sure to keep the crayons in there for at least 10 minutes. Now, be sure to note that different types of crayons are made from different types of wax, so they may melt at a little under 10 minutes or they may take a little over 10 minutes. That's fine. Once when you look in the oven, at around 10 minutes, the top of the melted crayons is smooth, then they're ready to come out of the oven. Once they're out of the oven, they do need to cool, and the cooling process also takes 10 minutes. Once your crayons are cooled and you see all these wonderful marbled or solid colors, then you're ready to become an artist. All you do is simply take your crayon bottle cap, peel the wrapper off of it, and you're ready to color. Broken crayons can color too. #0waste.